here are some things you should know as a new YouTuber, okay? So the first one is, don't be obsessed with the views, okay? The truth is, if you continue checking how many views do I have, you always feel bad, because when you just start, it's very difficult for you to get good views. Sometimes I get 3 views, 1 view. A video that has 1 view today, later on it can become 26. And I don't take 26 views for granted, honestly speaking, okay? So don't be obsessed with the views as a new YouTuber. Another thing is, have a plan for your YouTube channel, okay? Have a proper plan. How many times, how often do you want to post? How easy is it for you? Not according to what people are doing, according to what people are saying. So have your own plan, the one that is easy for you. Having said that, ensure that you do the proper thing. What do I mean by this? There are things that will make you grow, and the truth is, if you don't do them, you will not grow on YouTube, okay? So even if you want to do it at your own pace, you must plan in such a way that you do it in a proper way. For instance, consistency. You know, some people will say, don't just post consistently, post consistently and strategically. Very important, but you cannot do without consistency, okay? So make sure you post consistently and strategically. That's part of the plan that you have for your YouTube. Number 3, film quality videos. Film quality videos, okay? So what I mean is, make sure that the videos you are filming, they are quality, because your viewers will be put off if your videos are not good. You can start anyhow, but ensure that as you are growing, you are changing, you are making good videos, quality videos, you're growing in your editing skills. So the next one is, make sure all your settings are in place. Every of your setting is in place, okay? Your search engine optimization, your YouTube settings like your end screen, your thumbnails are perfectly done. Your video cards, they are using subtitles. Let your subtitles be clear. Make the spellings clear, okay? And let the words be clear. And your description should have search engine optimization. And your topic, like when I see some topics, between topic and thumbnail, I think the topic attracts me more than the thumbnail. So I think you should focus on your topic. Optimize your channel. Another thing you can do that can help you is help your channel by boosting your views by yourself, but you do this with great wisdom. So sometimes when some people tell you this, you just go and you just start doing it over. If you overdo it, you are going to hurt your channel. But there's a way you do it strategically, okay? I taught you how to use your smart TV or your friend's smart TV to do that. Most times when you want to do that, just use this as an opportunity to audit your videos. What is good, what is not good, so that you work on it, okay? I'll leave the link to the video in the description section of this particular video. Go and watch it, how you use your smart TV or your friend's smart TV to boost your views. But do it with wisdom. With wisdom, don't overdo it, because the goal is not for you to watch your own videos. The goal is for other people to watch your videos. So the next thing you can do is monetize before you monetize. So what do I mean by this? I mean, make sure you have something you are selling on YouTube, okay? If you wait for only the YouTube monetization, it may discourage you. So make sure you have something you are also selling. It can be a product, it can be digital assets, but make sure you have something. If you don't have anything you are selling right now, plan on what you are going to sell. This is because this monetization for YouTube, even when you monetize, it takes time for you to actually earn the money. I mean, for it to drop in your bank accounts. It can be coming like peanuts. 1 cent, 2 cents, $1, depending on the views you have. So that may discourage you. But if you have something you are selling, you will have consistent amounts. Don't forget that when you start selling, you will start growing gradually. Listen to my video on how you can start a business without capital. This is one of the ways you can actually start a business without capital. Okay, so make sure you monetize before you monetize. But what I'm trying to say is, as a new YouTuber, okay, you have to be strategic about this YouTube journey. If not, it will overwhelm you. And if you are not careful, one day you just say, I'm not doing again. And anything you start in life, what you should not forget is the reason you started it. Okay. So before you pack your bags and say, I'm not doing again, why did you start the YouTube journey in the first place? It may be just for fun. Okay. It may be for monetary reasons, but whatever reason you started, remember the reason. It will help you. It will motivate you. It will make you, know what to do. The truth is, everything in life is challenging, including YouTube. So don't even run away because you are like, I can't even continue this thing. No. Instead, focus. What's the solution? How do I resolve every issue I'm having? How do I resolve every problem I'm facing? And that's why this channel is here. I'm a new YouTuber and I know the challenges that we face. Okay. I talked about being obsessed about the views. You are like, what do I do? I'm not getting any view and everything. I've told you, you have to be patient. One thing I've learned is you have to understand the YouTube algorithm to be able to know exactly what's going on. If not, you'll be frustrated unnecessarily. Okay. Sometimes, like I said, you put up a video and you have 0 views. From there, it is moving to 1, 2, 3. Before you look, it has gone on to maybe 100, 50, and so forth. Okay. So, but you have to be patient because if you're like, you're just putting a video and in the next 1 minute, you're expecting it to just, I think it's only Mr. Beast that can put videos like that and they are just shooting. Sometimes I even believe that before Mr. Beast will put a video up, the video has gotten views. If you understand what I mean. But until you grow to that extent, don't forget that even Mr. Beast started the journey. If you sit there and listen to his stories, he will tell you he also started gradually. Now he's a YouTube star. So you too, continue at your pace, okay? But just make sure that, sorry, the camera is shaking. Just make sure that you don't give up. That's one thing. Because the truth is, if you give up on YouTube, the chances that you're going to give up on so many other things is very high, okay? Remember the reason you started and let that help you. I'm sure I'm making sense. All right, so don't forget these tips I've talked about. Don't run after how many views do I have. Don't just make videos for making sake. Ensure you're making valuable and good quality videos. Be yourself. Take it easy on yourself. Have a plan. Okay, I'm saying all these things in I'm not following any particular order. I'm just saying them as they're entering my head. Have a plan. What's your plan for your YouTube channel? What is your plan? Write it down and start following it gradually. Have a strategy of growth. Okay. I also talked about how you can boost your views by yourself, but do it strategically and do it with wisdom. Okay. YouTube is wisdom. It's understanding that can actually make you grow on this YouTube journey. Okay. And you learn every day. As you're going every day, you are learning, you are correcting your mistakes, you are making life easy for you and all that. Then I also talked about you having something to sell on YouTube. Very important. Out of all these tips that I've said, if I have more, I will do more videos. Of course, I'll keep doing videos on how we can grow together. How we can grow together on this YouTube journey. Okay, so but out of all these things I've said, I believe that you have learned something. And honestly, anything you've picked at all, I want to see it in the comment section. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Bye. Like I said, please subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel because more are coming your way. And you see this channel, we do a lot of tutorial software, a lot of tutorial. Everything is for us to grow together. The more we know, the better. Bye.